Good afternoon. You're watching English with Akram, and there's a debate here. And topic of the debate is that money versus education. What is more important? So this team is speaking in the favor of education, and this team is speaking in the favor of money. You have to.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Afsha, and today I'm very delighted to get this opportunity to present myself in front of you all. So, as you all know, that today we all have gathered here for doing a debate. So, the topic of the debate is about money versus education. Which one is important? So, well, in my perspective, education is more important than the money. So, now let's talk about that. What are the reasons behind education? Why education is more important than the money? So, at first, education that has the power to change your life, education that has the power to change your world. Okay. Only on the behalf of your education, you can change your mentality, you can change everything. That's about world, that's about your personality, that's about your mind. Okay. You can change everything with the help of only education. So now, at first, I would like to talk about here freedom. When India did not get freedom, that time British government were ruling on us. Okay. People of the India, they were not aware that what was happening wrong with them, what was happening with right with them. When Gandhiji came to India from by getting education, after that he got to know that what is happening wrong with the India's people, and after that he took action against the British government. Okay. So here you can see the biggest role of education for getting freedom. Now you must.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
I am Fabia, and once again we all have gathered here to do debate on a very incredible and amazing topic, which is in the regard of money versus education. So, in my perception, money is important, and not just in my perception, I actually think that money is everything. And as they are saying that, as Afsha at first she mentioned that education is power to change your life. I don't think so. I will give you answer. First of all, I would like to put my points. At first, I would like to talk about the happiness.
Okay.
So, in my perception, money can buy happiness also. How? Now they will say that they don't have time to sit with their family and all. So, I would like to ask to those people who have no food for eating, who have no house for living, who are living on the road. Please ask to those people that what is the importance of money in their life. And as we can see in India,
Same thing ask
So,
to them
in
that
India-
are they educated or not.
so in India, 525 million people have degree. And out of them, 100 people have degree but they don't have job, they are unemployed. So what's the use of the education when they don't have job? Why are you getting knowledge? Why are you learning? For earning the money, for getting the job, to get the success in your life. But nowadays, it is not happening. So people should focus to earn the money, not to get the education. Because for surviving the life, we need money. If we are living, so just with the help of money, we are living. Because we can buy the food for eating, and that is a tiny thing for living. For surviving our life, we need the money, not education. You should have money first, then you will get education also. Because whenever you go to the school for getting the admission and all in the higher school, so definitely you need money. To get the education, you need money at first. After that, you can get education. Okay.
Okay. So as you were telling me that there are a lot of people in the India who have degrees, but in spite of degrees, what is happening with them? They are unemployment. They are unemployed. Okay, as Samia sister was also mentioning same thing, that in the India there is inflation. So here one thing I would like to say here, as my team member has already said this thing, but I would like to repeat it, that education. Why do you think that education is only about to go to school, to passing the class, and to get result, to get degrees? Why do you think that education is only about this thing? Whatever you're learning in your environment, whatever you're learning every day, that's called a skill, that's called education. That is real education. Okay. So please do not think that only go to school, whatever our teacher are teaching us, that's called education. It's not like this. Okay. And why in the India there is inflation? Why people are unemployed? So here the biggest reason of this thing, that's called population. Because of only the population of the India, this thing is happening. Okay?
Now you will
As
blame
you
the
know that-
population.
as you know that India comes on first rank in terms of population. So that's why people are unemployed here. Okay. And here you were talking about that if you want to get happiness, so with the help of only money you can get happiness. So here I would like to say a quote that money can buy a bed but not sleep. Money can buy a clock but not time. Money can buy a house but not home. Okay, same thing is here. Money cannot buy happiness. With the help of money, you can get everything but not happiness. Okay, that's your emotions. That's your feelings. You cannot buy. Okay.
Also, with the help of education, can you buy the emotions of everyone? Of course not. So, with the help of education, can you buy time? Of course not. Can you buy?
Did I say you like this, Sabiha? Did I say you like this?
Of course not. So let me now you have to listen me. Okay. So as she is giving me answer about the happiness again, so I have told you the reason that why money is important for living for the happiness. Okay. Second thing, in the India, many people are successful in their life and they are not uneducated. They are not educated, like Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and so on. You can take the example of those people also who are successful in their life without education. Second thing, answer for you, education is the power to change your life. I don't think so, because you suppose you have completed 12th class, you have a degree of MBBS, now you are a doctor, you have everything, but you don't have money. What's the use of your that much degree, that much education, when you are not able to get any job for earning the money? What is the use of your that education? Because in our India, in our family also it happens. The family members and relatives give respect to those people who have money, who are rich. And in our society also we can see people who have money. A person who has money, he will get respect by the others. Who doesn't have money, they will not get respect, because they will think that it's a person just like that is a simple person. But who is successful in their life, they will get the respect. Okay.
Okay, as first of all, she thinks that if we have money, so we have respect. Not at all. It's not like this. As I think that if you have education, you have respect. Why am I saying this thing? Because as you have heard this quote as well, that money is the fruit of your education. It means if you have education, of course, you will have money as well. Okay, and you are giving me example of those people who were uneducated in the past, but however, they were successful. So once again, do not go in the past. I am giving you those examples right now in 2024, 2023. They became IPS, IAS. Okay. Even their parents are not. Okay. Like their only mother were there. Like Divya Tanwar. Okay. She belongs with a poor family. She belongs. Even she has no her father. But in spite of this thing, she did hard work. If I talk about other one, Astha Singh, Anju Bhatt, Tanya Gupta, and so on. So there are a lot of people in the world, only not you are the student, that without education, without money, you cannot get education. It's not like this, sister, that there are a lot of people who are uneducated, but however, they have passion that they have to achieve their goals. And they are achieving. And wait, I would like to give answer to the Samia sister. She was talking about Sachin Tendulkar, that he has no education. He is not an educated person, but in spite of this thing, he has glory, name, fame, as she was talking about. So here, I would like to tell you that he has passed his 12th standard. Okay, 12th standard means he is an educated sister. Okay, now you must speak.
And she is telling me, she was giving me the example of educated people who have completed the IEJE. I don't know about this, but you know, it is not a piece of cake to crack the exam, UPSC exam,
But they have
JEE
cracked.
exam. So it is not a piece of cake, because in 1,000 and lakhs of people, they have decided, they have chosen. So you can see that what is the importance of learning and what is the use of money in our life. They have also passed the JEE and UPSC for earning the money. Okay.